like every explosion from all of our videos.
Set to the 1812 overture. That's how we gotta do it. Oh my god.
I'm almost what about what about to the tune of In the Hall of the Mountain King?
Every time Zach has killed Ari in GTA.
We need to find a quote of me where like, come on, you trust me, right? Then you get
Or every time I cut off my sentence, like, yeah, you know, like I'm just like, wait, what? You know, that kind of thing.
I'm hit.
It's like Zach will crack like a joke and be like, what? You know, or something like that. I have like this weird reaction to that.
I'm safe, and then tank. I think the funniest part about that whole that one clip that I showed you where you said you're safe while the tank explodes. everyone else had abandoned the tank except you.
I didn't pay any attention. That's why.
I know, but I looked and I realized you were the only one in the tank when it exploded.
I'm safe. Boom. I'm not safe. Is it safe?
Is it
No.
safe?
It is not safe.
It's not safe. Yeah, be careful, you know.
No one
is safe.
safe.
Is it safe? Is it? Of course, it's safe.
Also, Ari, we weren't planning on doing Jackbox until like after 8 p.m. after JR got home, anyways.
What's going on?
That's not gonna work because we got AEW and then a 2K22 stream.
Oh, great.
What's going on?
He wanted to play Quiplash.
We were gonna do Jackbox.
Well, you did. I didn't know about JR wanting to do it. I was just skeptical about it because I'm like, Friday nights we got wrestling, man. Like we got. I
forgot it's Friday. It's fine.
You thought today was Thursday again.
I forgot what day of the week it was.
It's all good. It's all good. I mean, we can play it on the weekend.
Seem to have an issue with that, though.
We can do it on the weekend.
I work tomorrow.
I could probably do one match, but then I'm gonna go do the VR chat meet.
Okay, one round can go. We can do one round.
Okay.
Or I could play with the randos while you go do VR chat. Unless you guys want to play something together.
If you want
I'm right here, get in.
I mean, I guess I could hop on VR if you do, Ari. Otherwise, I don't mind just.
I'll have to finish my food first. I brought like a whole freaking dinner to my desktop table.
All right. I'm gonna go ahead and work
Ari, Thanksgiving happened a day ago.
No, it's Thanksgiving 2. It's the sequel day.
No, it's
Thanksgiving. No, it's Thanksgiving 2. The turkey gobble do.
No. It's like the Hobbit's Thanksgiving. You already had one Thanksgiving. We had one Thanksgiving. Yes. What about second Thanksgiving?
Yeah, see, he's right. He knows it's second Thanksgiving.
I don't think he knows about second Thanksgiving. What about Christmas, Valentine, Halloween? What about any of those? I don't think he celebrates any of those.
I leveled up super quickly once I figured out how this game works.
I was gonna say I want at some point to do a Game and Chill picture with us in Return of the King.
Oh God. You know, okay, if we're gonna do that, Merry and Pippin are you and me. We're Merry and Pippin. Have Frodo be Ollie, just for how weird that would sound. Ollie is Frodo.
We'll have to talk about it. I do remember
Ollie,
the
you
conversation.
need to throw the ring in Mordor. What? You know, Ollie have his weird what reaction or something.
We actually talked about it before because I compared you and Cryptic to Legolas and Gimli.
Oh yes.
During the Battle of Helm's Deep.
Because we're always comparing our strats, our fucking skill stats and shit.
43.
Finally, it's Henrietta for a change. I've only ever fought Necromancer or fucking that ugly mouth monster.
No.
fucking time.
Now, the only worst thing that could happen is that you guys die early.
No.
I'd rather not, but I'm too good for that, so that ain't happening.
I'll remember that.
Ooh, a sledgehammer.
Alright, I am still looking for a weapon. I'm gonna go inside and take a look.
Blunderbuss.
Hunting rifle. Oh wait, no, I got the boomstick. What the hell am I doing with that? No.
Yes.
I forgot I had the boomstick thing.
This is my boomstick.
A hand axe.
Coldwater, Michigan. You know, I decided to look up Bruce. What's his name? Bruce Campbell?
There's a car
Yeah,
over
Bruce
here.
Campbell's his celeb's name.
Royal Oak. He's from Royal Oak, Michigan. I swear, every time I look these guys up, I'm amazed. Like, oh shit, these guys are.
They're in your hometown.
Him.
Fairview Campgrounds. I'll
him-
stop.
J.K. Simmons.
Yeah.
What's his name? Bert.
I'll meet up with you.
Burt Reynolds. Yeah, he's from Michigan
Hello.
as well.
Hello. Hey, it's Evil Dead the game. You can't drive with me. Yeah.
Hey, you're in a hurry, right?
Here we go. Whoa.
Yeah.
You want to go? Where should we go? Mark a map. Wait.
I marked it already. It's the orange marker or the amber marker.
All right, let's just flip it right around. Here we go.
I think the Randall wants to join us.
How do you honk?
2.
Beep.
Eh.
What a weak fucking horn! What the hell was that? Meep.
You hold it. You can hold it.
Meep. It was like meep.
That was a very pathetic honk, though. It's just meh.
Off-road. Here we go.
Just the way I like it. Nice. A tiny ass fucking tree stopped you.
Oh, you think that's bad? It gets worse later in some of the other videos I've done.
Yeah, I can imagine. I mean, I'm guilty of it too. Even I can name plenty of situations where there's ow, fucking die, bitch.
His bitch dies right here, right now.
Ow, piss off, you whore. Whoa, what was that? Oh, the dark ones are in this area. What the fuck? I wasn't expecting them to be here.
Oh, what? How?
Yeah, the dark ones are in the thing already.
And we can't stop them either.
No, we need to grab everything first. Alright, look at the map pieces quickly before we get fucking murked.
We should probably go back in the car if we're gonna do that.
No, we need to find the thing. It is here. Watch out behind you.
Oh, I see him. Thank you.
Bitch! Fucking oh!
Get out of here.
Hammer time!
Okay, what's Evil Dead 2 Ash's special ability? I forget. For Q.
I actually don't know.
Hold on. Stand still real quick. I'm gonna test it.
Oh, right, I remember now. Basically, if someone gets possessed, you can instantly get them out of the possession state if you use that ability.
Okay, good.
You can exercise.
Okay, that will help a lot. That will help a lot. Okay. Is that a
I have a chance of getting possessed because my fear gauge is getting really high right now.
Same with me. Oh, there's a Shem's Cola.
Oh! Really chefs when you've got Mountain Dew Code Red.
There you go.
Okay, the map piece is definitely here somewhere. We just have to look. I bet it's in this far building that's by the car on the map.
Probably.
I'm going down there.
Alright. Hello? Oh. Birds.
My fear gauge is getting higher. Crippling anxiety. Just a few of my favorite things. Ow, you bitch. fucking shotgun to the face. And a hammer. Feels so good to be killing regular deadites for a change, instead of the annoying mouth monsters that explode or skeletons.
Can't imagine what the other ones are like. When I play the game, I'll find out.
Oh,
Who's there? A skeleton.
is he trying to fight the demons with the fucking car? Bruh!
If he... Why are people so stupid?
I don't know.
Wait
We've been
for
asking
me!
that question
What?
for years
Wait!
now.
Wait! What the hell are you doing?
Don't help him.
It's too late now. We're in the car with him. Hey, crashed the car!
He's gonna break the car because you can't kill the evil ones. And what about the Kandarian dagger?
How are you winning, guys? Are you winning?
Basically, we're not. No, we're not winning. Basically, if you look at the top middle on, I assume you're watching Ari's stream.
Yeah, I'm watching.
So the top middle, see those little pictures. Right now, we need to find 3 pieces of a map. Once we've done that, we need to get the Kandarian dagger and the pages of the Necronomicon. Then we go fight the Dark Ones. Then we protect the Necronomicon and win.
Could you repeat everything again?
We have to find 3
No.
pieces of a map, then 2 other special items, and then we fight the final boss, while protecting the Necronomicon.
Fucking.
But we're kind of all scattered at the moment because it's like me, Max, and 2 dummy randos who are kind of doing their own thing. That's why I was kind of hoping Final Draft and Cryptic would be available to play today, unless... I think Vinderza said he wanted to play, but I don't know if he wants to do it today.
That's right, suckers. I created light. Here. Find surgery.
I am crumbling. Yeah, I don't know where this... Okay, wait, no, there's more pieces of the area ahead. I'm gonna check there.
Alright,
I think we're missing something.
if you want, you can come pick me up. I'm kind of...
I'm still on foot.
Okay.
I think I'm in the right place. The map's gotta be here somewhere. No, because now I'm in Camp Greenbird. God damn it, is this gonna be another situation where we can't find the page? I found it!
Where was it?
Oh. It is indeed in the place I expected. Got it.
The first piece of the map has been found.
Alright, cool.
Continue and find the next.
Alright, next stop will be...
Shit.
Jigs, Gas, and Go.
Alright, I'm gonna come regroup with you because I don't want to get lost.
I'm suffering crippling anxiety right now, so I just need a minute.
Same here.
I am losing my fucking composure. Oh, bless his soul, she's healing me. Hurry over here, Ari, so you can get some healing. Oh, it already ran out. Well, bless her. She healed me.
I got a car. I'll see if I can regroup.
I say thank you.
You can do.
Oh! You hold... I learned something. If you hold Alt, the ping button, you can do, like, different things, like, I need this, or follow me, or something like this.
Fair enough.
I know, it doesn't look like much, but this car has...
Alright, I'll wait for you. Alright,
Let's go.
where are we going?
When you're really scared, everything's, like, deeper pitch. All I heard from the car was...
Is it straight ahead where the pink one is?
No. It's where the other rando is.
Green?
Marked it.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't mean to say on my way.
I have marked something of significance for all to see.
We didn't abandon that rando, did we? Oh, no, the rando abandoned
No,
us.
no, he went off on the... He went in his own path.
There's a ritual thing.
I think you're lagging a little bit. You're, like, teleporting. I'm gonna scavenge this place.
Oh. Here, I'll keep the car nearby so we can just... There. Oh god, the car's...
Hello? Ow! Oh, you... cunt.
Good old ships.
Okay, fear is being lowered.
Deadites do not
I feel like we need to find more supply boxes. Oh, speaking of, oh, fucking.
Oh god, they're coming in through the door.
Goddamn booby trap.
Oh yeah, that's the good stuff.
The rando still hasn't found the fucking map piece. Gotta reload my shotgun, 1 sec.
There we go.
Actually, that's not.
I'm going on up.
Alright. I'll join you.
Ow, you
So I may remove thine head.
My fear is just through the roof.
Let's see here.
Found it! Frickin' it's in this house.
Your group now holds an additional
There we
piece
go.
of the map. Well played.
You're welcome, team!
Thank you.
Amulet here. In the house.
On my way.
I've got like too many amulets, so take it.
Alright.
I hear a bin. A bin? I hear a supply box. It's here somewhere. I can't hear shit because I'm too scared right now. Next up will be Camp Greenberg. We were just there!
Do you both want a plushie to snuggle? You guys kind
mean,
of
that
sound
might
like you need.
help.
That would probably help.
Oh, they got a car.
Found it.
Oh,
What
wrong
do we
button.
have here? Hand axe. Do you need a better melee weapon, Ari?
I got a chainsaw.
Okay, I'll mark this for anyone else that wants it. Come in here for the pink F at least. I marked it on the map.
Let's see. Oh, yeah, there's another hand axe. We were just here.
Yeah, I know. I just said that.
Yeah, the rando took us here.
I'm with the other rando. I need to turn this flashlight off. I'm burning through battery life.
I'm keeping it on because it is a little too dark for me. I'm gonna keep it on just.
I only really use it for, like, when there needs to be things that are lit.
Yeah.
I'm getting puked on. Lovely. How pleasant.
Okay. What?
You know, demons puking on me, like possessed demons.
Yeah, the exorcism kind of told me about that.
All right.
Yeah. Oh, good. Good. I'm getting ganked. Fuck you, you fucking ganking bitch. I'll fucking crack your skull with this sledgehammer.
Or he could do what they do in Vanguard, stab them with the sledgehammer.
Yeah, wearing a dumb fucking clown outfit while I'm at it.
Yeah, sounds good. Like, yeah, you stab. Mind you, you do not smash their skull in with a sledgehammer in Vanguard. You stab
Final
them
piece has
with
been
it.
collected, making the map whole again.
Alright,
And revealing
Who's gonna go where? Map is.
Necronomicon pages are nearby. I'm near the Necronomicon pages.
All right. We're gonna grab a car and join you.
How is my... Never mind. Yeah, Rando's gonna go for it.
have awakened the lost pages of the Necronomicon. Stay close and hold
Yep,
your
Rando's
position.
on it.
On our way.
Why is the rando in a car? Dude, just hold your ground on foot. Don't waste the vehicle.
I'm gonna tell you this right now, Max. Trying to reason with a rando is like trying to ask a brick wall to move.
Psychic wave to all
Pretty much.
corrupted souls. Hold your ground.
Oh god, we got a lumberjack.
We're a little late, sorry. Here we are.
I got jump scared. Getting healed.
Damn it, I gotta reload. Oh, lumberjack.
I'm reloading. He's dead. Oh shit, there's another one. On me.
There we go.
Activate my ability. Stay close to me if you want to fuck shit up.
Keep him steady. Ah, puke. Here we go.
Say that like that. You say that like it's just a minor inconvenience.
Oh, puke. Oh, no.
Oh no, it's puke.
Fuck you, lumberjack.
Yeah, those guys are a pain in the ass. Oh, God.
Need to get a better gun at some point.
I'm glad it gives me the double barrel by default.
Your group has obtained
Alright.
We got it.
I need healing.
The living are one step closer to defeating the dead.
I don't need that. I just need a better gun.
I can kill with this.
Nah, nothing good. Hello, upgrade page. Can you appear for me, please?
Thank you.
Hello, what's going on?
Okay, I need this. My upgrade page isn't appearing at all.
It's tab, right?
I want to check my upgrades. Yeah, no, it's tab, but it's not working. There we go. Jesus Christ.
There you go.
Brap.
Beep. Boop. Over the river and through the roots, Deadites' house we go.
What a lovely little song.
Over the river and through the woods, to grandmother's house we go. And the jungle gym is
That's a big
spaz.
fucking tree.
That jungle gym was spazzing out. I'm not the only one that caught that, right?
Nah, I didn't see it.
Oh, it's happened a few times. The jungle gym like glitches the hell out. Big rig racing, let's go.
Big motherfucking rigs!
You have activated activated the Kandarian dagger. All manner of evil spirits will sense their imminent doom and attack accordingly.
I've watched. Sorry, I got another.
Activating a boost.
I'm watching the stream while watching another video in the background.
Oh god.
The muggers are back.
Oh jeez. The muggers are back.
Hey, Ari, let's mug 'em. Cryptic, are you mad? Yeah, let's mug 'em. I will forever associate those characters with you and Cryptic.
This fucking demon keeps trying to jump scare me.
Just pounce him.
Oh shit, it's Henrietta!
Oh shit. Wow, we didn't even give her a...
her up.
Yeah.
You didn't give her the time of day?
Quit so... Bitch.
That's rude.
Shit, I'm low on health. Damn
Hold
it.
on, Ari. Oh, that shit, that demon... I'm down too!
Damn it.
So the ones that were red got... It's there. Yes. Can any of them pick us up? Okay, I like this one rando. She's actually looking out for us.
Yeah, she's doing a good job.
Even if she does stray alone, I think she's generally, you know... Oh, she's alright. She's got a pass in my books. But then again, she's a PC player. Our other rando's a PlayStation player.
Survivors have
I find that
taken
there's a
Kandarian
distinct,
dagger.
like,
This
a
weapon is
skill level, like, when it comes to randos or... Ooh. Of course he takes it.
There you go.
The lost pages and Kandarian dagger are in your possession. You have all you need to banish the
We
Dark
should
Ones
heal up
back
first
to
before we go.
I got all the health I need. I just...
Oh, I'll take that.
Yeah, you should take that.
Chimps, man.
Pistol.
Oh, batteries are dead.
Ari, how many cans do you got?
0.
Take this one.
Alright. We're coming, we're coming.
I'm gonna restock a bit more. I'll find my own way. Oh, never mind. There's nothing left in here. All right, let's head on. This fucking tab is not working for me at all.
Oh, supply crate.
Yeah, I hear it.
Okay, that's actually quite nice.
Lucky, lucky. No traps.
Drink deep of this potion, friends.
I upgrade my fucking thing, please. Oh, the fact that it's this... There we go. Jesus.
Boomstick.
Double barrel.
Oh,
Ah, you got that sorted.
Do you know the things that I've seen?
Can you kill her faster so I can beat these? Like I'm just standing here and you're blocking the only way out of the room.
I'm
like,
trying to do my
really
Mortal
dumb.
Kombat epic kill, my fatality.
Dude,
Gosh.
you can't do that because current fatalities are in the Mortal Kombat 11 style, where time pauses to show just how epic the kill is.
Yeah, man. I'm trying to do my monster kill. My
Oh, I'm telling you
I
not
miss
to.
I miss Harakiris.
You know,
Wait,
you miss
yeah.
Hercules? You miss
I think-
No,
I'm-
Harakiri where you commit suicide.
Oh, I miss Hercules too. I mean,
I think about
Shut up!
Is that a character in Mortal Kombat, Max?
Hercules.
What?
Oh,
The character you brought. What's their name?
Heracles.
No, Harakiri.
Harakiri.
It's a
Heracles.
self-fatality where you basically kill yourself in honor of
Oh.
it's like seppuku.
Oh, okay.
It's like honorable. It's like
Seppuku.
honorably putting yourself down.
Seppuku.
Yeah.
What's
Yeah.
a seppuku?
Ari, is your boomstick neutered?
What?
It looks shorter.
That's what boomsticks are. They are shorter.
Yeah.
That's a little shorter than what I saw earlier.
That's because that was a regular shotgun.
Oh.
Yeah, man. Know your guns, dude. Gosh. And you're supposed to be the gun expert. Gosh.
Well, we just call them sawed-off shotguns and double-barrel shotguns.
I call them boomsticks.
I call them 12 gauges.
I just
Sometimes
call,
flash hits.
I call them
Sometimes slugs.
I call them guns.
I want to see you use a. I think you might have a boomstick in Battlefield 1. You know, I keep watching that clip of you getting run.
Big guy coming in.
Getting run over by the tank.
Ugh. There. Oh god, big guy.
Back here. He wants only you, Ari. I'm trying to stop him.
I'm trying to get away from him.
Yeah, I'm trying to help you. There we go. I got it.
There you go. Oh,
Oh, our rando's possessed.
I'll
The
stay.
greedy rat one. Oh no, he's fine.
Okay.
He's
And
fine.
the green fume.
He's fine. Just put a band-aid on that. It's fine.
Necronomicon, protect it.
When the deadite is in red, what does that mean?
If they're red, that means the demon's controlling them.
Okay.
That means they're stronger and they would otherwise be in control of a player. But they're not, so. Oh, Henrietta! Over here! Ah, God help me!
Come on, baby, let's go.
Where'd she go?
Trucker. There's a mother trucker in front of me. He's gone now.
Henrietta's still around. I don't know where she went though. Oh, she probably got unpossessed. Wait, I hear her. I think.
Ah! Shit.
Boosting your attacks.
I have low health.
We are killing shit. Oh no, our good rando's dead.
No! I'm dead too.
Shit. Spin.
We did it.
Oh.
That was a fun session, man. GG all around.
Yeah.
All right.
Ah, bullshit. The greedy rando was first. I don't buy that for a minute. Oh, Ari, you killed Henrietta. Nice. You got the killing blow.
Nice. All right.
True.
Oh, we didn't get a lot because of it wasn't PvP.
What? Like, does it? Do you get more from PvP or?
Yeah, I remember you telling me that. Like, PvP
I mean-
rewards the full amount of XP, But if you're playing against
I mean,
AI,
I don't know if it's. I don't even know. I don't even know. I don't think it's reduced in what's it called? I don't know.
because when I was playing with Cryptic, we played with randos and we jumped up a huge amount of levels. But when we play with the AI bots, we get 1/4 of the skill points because it encourages us to play against people.
Yeah, as always. Well, there is still private matches, so if we get a full squad, like 5 people playing at once, like we could just vibe, like have some fun, and actually like progress. Oh, Star Wars Squadrons is free now, and also that has VR capabilities. I strongly recommend you grab it.
What? What? Hang on. What?
Star Wars Squadrons.
I
It's free on Epic Games Launcher, and it has VR capabilities.
All right, cool. Yeah, I mean, I'll take it. And this is the Epic Games Store.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
You
I'll
get
look
to
into
fly around in a ship and do like ship space combat, space dogfights.
it. Cool, cool. All right, yeah.
And
I'll,
it has
I'll
VR.
get it. Yeah, I'll grab it.
You can fly an X-wing or whatever the fuck they fly.
So I guess you're doing the. You're gonna go to the VR chat now.
Yep.
Alrighty.
So we'll take. I guess you want to stay in VC, Ari, until you're ready.
I'll take a brief break just so I can finish some of my food, and now I can hop back on. We can do something. I guess. I guess we can go to VR chat, but
It's gonna be pretty quiet in VR chat, so I wouldn't worry too much about being overwhelmed.
Who's gonna be there?
I don't know. Just
people.
you know.
People. Okay, fair enough. Okay. All right. I guess. Let me know when you're going, Ari, and I'll see you there. Okay.
All right. See you. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Yep. See you.